So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add 2 or more colors on an object in Blender and create a gradient type texture. So you can do it on any object, but I'm going to show you on the default cube itself. I'm going to select the cube, shade smooth it. Let's head into the shading tab, a new material, and then Shift A, texture coordinate node, place it here, then another Shift A and a mapping node, plug the generated into the vector, then a separate XYZ, plug the vector into the vector, and then a color ramp. I'm gonna just move it a little bit side. So this is basically the node setup and the color into the color. Now this means that on what axis do you want the separate color? So I want it on Z axis, so I'm gonna plug the Z into the value, and so you can see it now that right now in the color ramp there are 2 colors, black and white. So if I move it, the black moves upwards, and if I move the black more, then it will do like this, the black less. So if you want to add another color, just click on the plus button and it will add a third color. So I'm going to change the color. I want a red color, and I'm going to delete this one. For deleting, just click the minus button, and the second one I'm going to choose blue, and then move the red one and the blue one like this. So now just from here, it depends what type of color you want with the cube, like a gradient like texture, so you can see in the middle there is this color, or if you want sharp colors, you can just over here, these are the different options. If you want to just red and blue, you can click on constant. So now it will be like this. There are just 2 colors. But if you don't want this, if you want the previous one, you can choose linear, and that will create a sort of gradient like texture. In the middle there is purple, like the mix of red and blue, or ease you can choose for this type of color. So here you go. Thanks for watching. And over here you can add a different number of how much you want. Like you can add a green in middle, you can add an unlimited amount of number of color over here. So hope you like this, and see ya. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thanks.